Welcome to ESL Teacher Talk podcast.
Picking up where we left off, let's delve a little deeper into AI's potential as a teaching tool. One area where AI really shines is generating alternative explanations. We all know that not every student grasps a concept in the same way.
Yeah, it's like having a teaching assistant who can instantly come up with different ways to explain something tailored to each student's learning style.
Exactly. AI can also provide personalized feedback on student work.
Okay.
And we're not just talking about simple right or wrong answers. Some platforms analyze student writing for things like argument structure, clarity of ideas, and even creativity.
That's incredible. It goes way beyond what a teacher could realistically do for each individual student. I imagine this is especially helpful for ESL teachers who are working with students from such diverse backgrounds and varying levels of English proficiency.
Absolutely. AI can even assist teachers in assessing more complex projects and simulations.
So instead of relying solely on those multiple choice tests, which often just measure rote memorization, we can start evaluating a student's ability to actually apply their knowledge and think critically in real-world contexts.
Precisely. And here's another really valuable application. AI can analyze student work for patterns of misunderstanding.
Oh, interesting.
This can give teachers these incredible insights into where students are getting stuck and allow them to adjust their instruction accordingly.
So AI isn't just about personalizing learning for students. It can also help teachers become more effective instructors.
Right. But what about students using AI directly? Some might worry that this is just a high-tech way to cheat.
Yeah, I can see how that concern would come up. It's like when calculators first became popular, people worried that students would forget how to do basic math.
Right. Michael Horn addressed this point directly. He acknowledged the risks of students becoming overly reliant on AI or using it to just complete assignments without truly engaging with the material. It's a valid concern, but as with any tool, it's all about finding the right balance. We need to use AI to empower students, not let it become a crutch.
So what does that look like in practice?
No.
How can we encourage students to use AI in a way that actually enhances their learning?
One way is to encourage students to use AI to refine their work, test their ideas, or improve their communication skills. For example, ESL students could use AI to check their grammar and vocabulary or to get feedback on their writing style.
So they're using AI to become better writers, not just to get a better grade.
Exactly. And in an increasingly AI-powered world, it's essential to raise students' expectations for their own work. They need to understand that while AI is a powerful tool, ultimately it's up to them to produce high-quality original work.
It's about teaching them to be critical thinkers and discerning users of technology.
Absolutely.
Right.
And that brings us to a crucial question. How can teachers embrace these advancements, especially if their school isn't exactly on the cutting edge of technology? What resources and support are available?
So we've covered a lot of ground in this deep dive, from the power of blended learning to the exciting and sometimes daunting possibilities of AI in education.
Yeah.
But let's face it, all of this can feel a bit overwhelming, especially if you're a teacher in a school that's not exactly a tech hub. Where do you even begin?
Right.
Luckily, Mike Stuart and Michael Horn had some great advice for teachers who are eager to embrace technology, even without a ton of support.
Yeah, one of the first things Michael emphasized is the importance of finding classrooms that are already using these innovative blended learning models.
So it's about getting out there, visiting those schools, and seeing firsthand what's actually working.
Exactly. It's about expanding your vision of what's possible and seeing how these concepts translate into real-world classrooms.
I like it.
He also encouraged teachers to actively seek out professional development programs that utilize the technology and the approaches that they want to learn.
Don't settle for those generic one-size-fits-all workshops. Find programs that offer hands-on experience and practical strategies you can actually implement in your own classroom.
Right. And finally, and I think this is really crucial, he stressed the importance of online communities and peer support for ESL teachers.
That's where communities like Mike's Home ESL and TEFL Lemon really shine. Places where teachers can connect, share their experiences, swap resources, and support each other on this journey of integrating technology into their teaching.
It's a virtual staff room where you can bounce ideas, troubleshoot problems, and get that much-needed boost of encouragement for people who understand the unique challenges of teaching ESL.
It's a powerful reminder that you don't have to go it alone. There's a whole world of passionate educators out there facing similar challenges and discovering innovative solutions. It's inspiring to see how technology can bring teachers together and create these vibrant communities of practice. So as we wrap up this deep dive into technology and ESL education, I'm left with this big thought-provoking question for you. If you could design the ideal ESL classroom, blending the best of human interaction and technology, what would it look like? What would be the perfect balance? What tools would you use? And most importantly, how would technology help your students thrive?
That's a fantastic question to ponder. It's an invitation to dream big and to start envisioning how technology can help us create these truly transformative learning experiences for our students.
Don't just dream it, build it. Start experimenting. Connect with other passionate teachers and discover the amazing possibilities of this ever-evolving field. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the exciting world of ESL and technology. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible in education.
Welcome to ESL Teacher Talk podcast.